Hello friends, in this video we will talk about the bathroom arrangements for better space utilization. So this is the smallest bathroom in our house, yet it is very functional. It houses a lot of things and it is very roomy for its due use cases. The size of this bathroom is 4 feet by 6 feet. Actually it is few inches less than that in both the sides. So a small bathroom but yet very functional, very practical. See, the objective behind the arrangements are two. First is to keep the floor empty and dry. If the floor is empty, then even the small bathroom looks roomy. When it is dry, the bathroom becomes more usable and the formation of bacteria and viral reduces. Also, there is one more advantage of keeping the bathroom dry. That means, after the shower, you use a wiper and wipe the water. The advantage is the water will not seep inside, so the life of bathroom and especially the tiles will increase, and also the dampness in the walls around the bathroom and the slab beneath will not happen. So keeping the bathroom dry has many advantages. And the second thing is we want to house more stuff inside the bathroom, that too in more accessible way. Now about the arrangements, I have only one tip which I want to convey via this video, that is to keep most of the stuffs wall mounted, which you might have already noticed that everything is wall mounted. Let me show you what all things are there and how this bathroom is very functional. Okay, let me give you one additional tip via this video, and that is about the wiper. See, one of the common problem with the wiper is this joint which connects the rod and the wiper. This joints catches the rust, or when you're wiping, the dirty water comes out from here. If you have observed this problem, then this tip will be useful for you. Otherwise, you can ignore this. So to avoid this problem, what you have to do is put a little M seal the way I have put. So once you do this, then the wiper will not break and even will not deteriorate, and the problem which I told, that when you're wiping the dirty water comes from here, so that will also not happen, and the life of the wiper will increase so much that you have to ultimately throw it, it will not break. So that's it for this video. If you like this content, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. And also, if you have any suggestion for further betterment, you can write in the comment section. I would like to hear from you. Thank you.